For the first method, you want to head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. Once you're on it, we're going to click on other troubleshooters. And then you want to run the audio troubleshooter. So click on run next to audio. Then this box will appear, and then it asks for your consent to run the automated diagnostics to try solving your audio problem. So click on yes, and then follow the steps and see if it fixes the problem for you. For the second method, we're going to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. Once you're on it, we're going to expand sound, video, and game controllers. Once everything here has been expanded, you want to right click on everything that you see, and then make sure that the device has been enabled. It will say disable here, which means that the device is enabled. So make sure that all the devices have been enabled. Then you want to right click on your devices and click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that the best driver for all your devices has been installed. There's also a chance that the device has been disabled due to a virus or an infection. So for the third method, we're going to head over to search and type in virus and threat protection. Click on it. Once you're on this, we're going to click on scan options. Then you want to run a full scan first, so click on full scan, click on scan now. And then after that's been done, you want to run a Microsoft Defender offline scan, and then click on scan now. Once you run both these scans, restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.